Let's catch up with Grant, a 2025 elementary education graduate who thoroughly made the most of his time at VCSU. Joining a few of VCSU's student clubs and organizations transformed Grant's campus experience into memorable years that culminated with him delivering the undergraduate speech at commencement. Tell us more, Grant.
Hey, thanks for the intro, Alex. I went to Valley City State University to follow in my family's footsteps as a fourth-generation educator, a dream I'm now living as a middle school social studies teacher. During my tour, the friendly atmosphere gave me a gut feeling this was the right place for me. But I was still a little skeptical that I would enjoy daily life at college. Joining a few of VCSU's student clubs transformed my experience. I met most of my friends, developed leadership skills, and made lifelong memories through these organizations. I was part of the Trap Shooting Club, the Fisheries and Wildlife Clubs, and Vikings for Christ, where we immersed ourselves in the Bible together. Each club was fulfilling in its own way. VCSU offers over 30 student organizations that cater to a range of interests, from academic and professional development to cultural, recreational, and social activities. There's something for everyone. One highlight was having the opportunity to directly pitch an idea to VCSU's president and cabinet about getting shooting sports officially recognized on campus as a club sport. With the support of fellow students and our amazing advisor, that vision became reality when VCSU added an official shooting sports team that won a state championship its first year. I left with experiences that I wouldn't have even imagined at the beginning. I even got the chance to speak to the graduating class about what I will say here. By far, the biggest thing that I learned at VCSU is that we don't have to wait for opportunities to come our way. We can create them ourselves. And with that, I have some students to get back to. Over to you, Alex.
Thank you, Grant. We love to see your passion for the campus and its activities. VCSU's small campus offers opportunities for all students to get involved. And if you don't see a club that interests you, the school encourages you to create your own club and share that interest with others. Good luck, Grant.